Hello friends, today we are going to continue our challenge in introduction to Pandas. We already completed 5 challenges and we are going to start how does data cleaning will be happen in um, Pandas. So in data cleaning, the first challenges we are going to solve is drop duplicate rows. This is the question. Let's try to understand it. This is the table which contains two columns, column name and type. So the column name, uh, and the table present this this table as customer ID, name and email. These three columns are presented in this data frame called customer, and customer ID is integer, and name and email are object. That means it in the format of string. So our task is write a solution to remove those duplicate rows and keep only the first occurrence. So we need to remove duplicate rows. For example, uh, they mention that there are some duplicate rows in the data frame based on the email column. In this email column, we need to store data uniquely. For example, in this data frame, john@example.com is presented 2 times. So we need to remove the records which having john@example.com, which having email column as duplicate. We only store first email occurrence, and we need to delete all other accursed email. So to remove this duplicate columns, we have a function called drop duplicates. To call this function, we need to first we need to mention the data frame name. Here data frame is customers, and to remove duplicate, we need to call function called drop duplicates, and inside this function we need to provide the column name to the subset equal to, and inside the list we need to provide on what column basis we need to remove duplicates. So here we need to remove duplicates in the column of email. So I'm mentioning email. The column name is email. So it will remove the record which having duplicate emails. For example, John dot this fourth customer ID having email address as john@example.com, and this email is occurs first time in fourth record, so it will be present, but the same email ID is occurs in fifth record, so this record will be removed. Okay. Now we need to return this data frame. So I just typing return. I am just writing return. So this drop duplicate emails function will return the data frame, and the data frame will have unique email IDs. Let's run this code. Let's submit this code. I think it will execute without any error. Yes, it's successfully run. Let's see the output. The input data frame customer as uh, in the email ID column, there are two John at example.com are present. So after execution of this code, the code will remove uh, the second occurrence of John at gmail.com from the data frame. I think you understand this question. We can solve another question in next video. Thank you.